Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our Algebra project with Group 7. Okay, today we are from Group 7. I'm Muhammad Isyad bin Omar. And my metric number AA2307 724. Okay. Now what we will discuss today. Today we will discuss about progression and arithmetic and geometry. So, what is arithmetic sequences? Arithmetic sequences is also known as arithmetic progression, characterized by constant difference d between consecutive terms. This property allows each term to be obtained by adding this fixed value to the previous term. Arithmetic sequence find broad application in modeling real-world scenarios, including financial transaction, population growth, and an incremental process. Understanding arithmetic sequences is crucial in algebra, serving as a foundation concept for more advanced mathematical topics. Okay, from the video that teacher has give to us, Miss Adeni have gives to us, the video about a woman has finished their studies, her studies, and he wants to find a job, and she got offer. The job gave him amount of uh, offer lah, where he got 5,000 55,000 rupees for month salary, and after that he got more, or we got it bonus I think, month, 5,000, and that we call it arithmetic because it's constant, dia punya constant difference between consecutive terms lah. And now we go to the geometric sequences or geometric progression. It is significant in mathematics. Each term is geometric sequence is obtained by multiplying the previous term by fixed non-zero number known as common ratio R. This result is constant ratio between consecutive term taught that sequence. Geometric sequence have wide application in various fields such as physics, biology, and finances. Especially its scenario involve exponential growth or decay. Understanding geometric sequences is essential for problems related to compound interest, exponential growth model, and population behavior over time. So, from the second video that Miss Adeline give is explaining about bacteria. Okay, bacteria is produced by splitting by two. So when a bacteria splitting by two, and then the two bacteria will splitting by two again. So it will gain very quickly lah. So from this, how do we to calculate it? We can do it a geometric progression as the common ratio R, and we got the result in a constant ratio between the consecutive terms lah. Okay, that's for introduction for arithmetic and geometric progression. Now we will get to next slide, the arithmetic. I will give to my friend. That's all for me. Bye.
Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abuza. So, for this project, I will explain about the problem background of this question. So, the first question of the arithmetic question is, the problem is Emma, a university student, received a scholarship at the beginning of her first semester, and she plans to save a specific amount each month for her living expense. The first month, she saved 300 ringgit, and each subsequent month, she decided to increase the amount saved by 50 ringgit. So, the question is, we need to find the amount that she saved in the fifth month, and the next question is, we need to determine the total amount she will have saved after 8 months. And the last question, if Emma continues the saving pattern throughout her 4-year degree program, what will be the total saving at the end of her degree? So this question, we need to use the arithmetic formula so that we can find the question needed, what the question need. So Next.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Haris. My metric number is 230,698. Okay, I will talk about filler table. The fact is, filler table for question 1. The fact is, Emma is a university student. Emma is a single mother, and she get a scholarship and want to save it. The idea is she want to save it because she have two kids and she planning to save the money for their living expenses. Learning issue. How much Emma want to save every month, and how much the money that she save after certain amount of time, like 1 month or 1 year. The action or plan we need to do is we make a calculation with using the arithmetic progression formulas.
Okay, so this is answer where the uh I said find the keyword first. And so number one, saving initial Emma 300 ringgit because A, and number two, 50 ringgit is the common difference between terms, that is D. Okay, so the answer for number one, we use the first equation that Tn equals to 1 plus n minus 1 times with D. So put all the info to this equation, and the answers you will get 500 ringgit. So the answer for number two, use the SN equation and put the all info to this formula, and the answer you will get 3,000 800 ringgit. And the third question, you said 4 year, right? So 4 year equals to 48 months. So you can also use the SN formula and put n equals to 48 month. So the answer you will get 70,800 ringgit. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we
So
move to
the
the
next part
next
I will play.
question.
I will explain
A
about the
college student
geometric
realized that he needs to
progressive
save up
question.
for a study trip
So for this
abroad that
question
he
is the
scheduled every
problem.
month for a
The
year.
problem background
He
is
started saving in
once
the first
one
month
college
by
student
putting
realized
500 ringgit
that he needs
into
to
his
save
account.
up for a study
Each
trip abroad
subsequent
that is
month,
scheduled
he
every month
decided
for
to
a year.
increase the amount of his savings
He
in a
starts
deal
saving in the
recognized by the
first month by
university
putting
bank. The bank provides
500 ringgit into
a
his
special
account.
offer to the
Each
student
subsequent
where
month, he decided
every
to
month the
increase the
amount of
amount of his
saving
savings
will be
in a deal
increased by a
recognized
fixed
by
rate
the
of
university bank.
10%
The
of the
bank
total
provides a
saving
special
in the
offer to the
previous month.
student where every month the
Based
amount
on the
saving
above
will be increased
situation,
by a fixed
find
rate
in the
of
second month what
10%
is the
of the total
student's
saving in the
salary.
previous month.
Question number two,
So,
what is the total
based
amount
on
of saving
this
in the sixth
problem,
month?
we need to find
Question number three,
in the second
if the
month
student made an
what is
agreement
the
for 1 year,
student's
what
salary.
was the amount of saving in the last month? Okay,
And for the
before we start
next question,
calculate,
we need to find the
of
total
course we
amount of
we
saving in
should
the 6
know
month.
the
And the last
keyword.
question, we
So
need to find
he said that he
if the
started
student
saving in
made
the first
agreement
month by
for
putting
1 year,
500
what
ringgit.
was the
So
amount of saving in the last month? So
uh,
for this
we
question,
know that
we need to
that
use
is the
the
first
geometric
term that we call
progressive
is
formula
A1
to find
or A.
the answer.
So
This is different from the
next keyword
arithmetic
where
progressive
the every
question.
month the amount
So
of saving will be
we will move to
increased
the
by a fixed rate
next
of 10%. That is
presentation.
a common ratio.
Okay, so
The
the
equal
next
is
part
R. So we
I will
know
explain
this
about the
question is about the
geometric
geometric
progressive question.
progression.
So
Okay,
for this
so we
question
move
is
to
the
the
problem
basic
the
formula
problem
about
background is
geometric
once
progression.
Okay, now I will talk about the second question filler table. The fact of this second question is a student want to study abroad after they have finished their study, and but they need to saving up the money to less their parent burden. The idea is, first, save money in the bank every month. Second, find a bank that give profit, because nowadays we have many bank that give a certain amount of profit. The third thing is learning issue. What is amount of profit for the first month? And second is amount in account bank after 1 year. The action that we can do is to make a calculation using geometric progression formulas.
So this is a basic formula for geometric progression where the Tn equals to a times with r powered by n minus 1. Equation number 2, Sn equals to 1 times with 1 minus r powered by n divide the 1 minus r. So we move to the answer for this question. Okay, so we know this question is about geometric progression. So we need to know the keyword first, right? So the first one is having 500 ringgit that we call is first term or A, and number two the fixed rate 10%. So 10% we need to plus with 1, so that we call is a r in the formula that we call is a common ratio. Okay, so the answer for number 1, we use the first question equation where the Tn equals to a times with r power by n minus 1. So put the all info into this equation, so you will get the rm 550 ringgit. So the question number 2, use the second equation where the Sn equals to a times with 1 minus r powered by n divided by 1 minus r. So put all the info again where the n is equals to 6, right? So the answers equals to rm 3857.181 cents ringgit. So the answer for number 3, we use the equation number 1 again because he wants to know the specific amount for his last month, right? So use the first equation. So put all info where the n equals to 12. So the answer you will get rm 1426.56 cents. So that's the answer for this question. I hope you understand how I explain the geometry and arithmetic progression and how to use it. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Okey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Amri Syamil Sopian. For the discussion and conclusion, we can solve problem related to arithmetic and geometric series with students saving following the compound interest pattern. Where the interest is compound every month, the saving increase every month due to additional saving from the flat rate. Planning a study trip abroad, students benefit from a saving strategy that includes monthly increase, which result in substantial saving throughout the year. Understanding the principle of compound interest help individuals make informed decisions about their saving and financial planning goal. After that, we can see Emma saving pattern following an arithmetic progression where each month she adds to her saving by fixed amount. Total saving increase as the number of months increase. Planning and following a consistent saving strategy can result in substantial saving over time as demonstrated by increase in the total amount saved. Thank you. That's all from me.